Hello everybody, it's Lorraine Knight here, and today I would like to talk to you about the messages from the birds. So I've worked with a couple of people the other night, and we were working on helping the birds, healing them, because in the UK and possibly other places as well, there are a lot of avian flu, bird flu, and the birds are really suffering. So anyway, energetically, we did a little bit to help that, and there were lots of messages coming through from the birds. And this morning, as I was walking back from the woods, the birds came again, and I asked what the messages were, and this is what they said. So hopefully they'll, as I start, they will carry on with this message for you, a message of loving guidance. The birds don't ask for confirmation of where they are drawn to go to. We just fly. We just fly. We never land in the wrong place. We may land in a place that is not our destination for rest and recuperation, but our internal navigation system is never wrong. It always takes us to where we need to be. And this is what we want to talk to you about. You don't need confirmation. You don't need to pay out money left, right and centre for those who lovingly give guidance. You have your own internal navigation system that will direct you to where you need to be for the next level of your attainment, your consciousness. There is absolutely nowhere that you on your pathway land by mistake. You either land there because you are there to help others. You land there because there is something that you can learn or help with in a situation. You land there because, like us, with our flocks of companions, maybe you need to meet up with others of the same or similar interests. But there is no going back. Once you connect with someone, you will then fly together. You may fly with them for a day, for a month, for a year. You may fly with them, they may be your life partner, and you may fly with them for the rest of your life. But many times these moments in your life are for rest and recuperation. Rest and recuperation is so important. And the birds, they come down to the waters in other lands, and they gather there for communication and for refreshment, for foods, refreshment, the gathering of souls. And this is what you do within your life. So we are saying to you now that many of you are getting that inner calling to do something different. You've been getting it for a while now. The call to fly from the world that you know to something much better. And you've been teetering on the edge for so long. But these internal signals are getting much stronger now. And they are coming in a way where you cannot deny there is a calling for you. A calling for you to step out and meet either like-minded people or people that will help you to push you on your pathway, or vice versa. There is a calling for you, and it doesn't come from anywhere else but you. Your higher self, your soul, calls you to move beyond what is normal into something much more appertaining to your level of growth. And everyone's growing, no matter who they are. Even if you are not able to move physically, mentally you are growing. As we circumnavigate the globe on our flights, we spot places that look beneficial to us, and we land there and we spend a while. And you will do the same within your life's journey, within this next stretch of your life's journey. You will also be aware of new places coming in to your life, new places, new people, new souls that are really old souls, that are friends, helpers, loved ones that are helping you on your journey. So remember, you are nowhere by accident. Once you step out of that door and you say yes to life, the bird on the wing will take you forward to your next destination. Enjoy your life as much as you can, for yes, it is short-lived here on the earth plane. Take notice of the thoughts that are coming into you. Observe them. These thoughts are sent from you, from that deepest, most purest part of you, to take notice and act upon. You are your own navigator. You are your own hero. You are the one who can change your life. Yes, other birds will come in to help you. Other people will come in to help you. But you are the one that has to walk through that open door. And remember what we said. A bird that stays in the nest cannot fly. A bird that braves the edge of the nest is free. God bless us all.